Hey guys, are you want to buy best DDR5 7200MHz RGB RAM? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best DDR5 7200MHz RGB RAM that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at G.Skill DDR5 7200MHz RGB RAM. The G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 Memory Kit is a powerhouse upgrade for high-performance desktops and gaming rigs. With a total capacity of 64GB, 2x32GB modules, it's engineered to deliver blazing fast speeds of DDR5-6000 CL30-40-40-96 at 1.40V, making multitasking, content creation, and gaming smooth and responsive. Designed as non-ECC UDMM modules with 288 pins, it supports both the JEDEC default profile and AMD Expo memory overclocking profiles, allowing users to push performance safely while maintaining system stability. The RGB lighting adds a sleek, customizable aesthetic for gaming setups. This kit is optimized for AMD platforms including X870, X670, B850, B840, and B650. Importantly, G.Skill emphasizes using matched kits together. Mixing memory kits can cause instability or system failure. Overall, the Trident Z5 Neo is perfect for enthusiasts seeking high-speed, reliable DDR5 memory with excellent overclocking potential, ensuring peak performance for gaming, streaming, and professional workloads while complementing AMD's latest platforms. Now our second product is Crucial DDR5 7200MHz RGB RAM. The Crucial DDR5 Pro overclocking memory combines high performance with striking aesthetics, making it a standout addition to any build. Featuring a cool white aluminum heat spreader with a unique origami-inspired design, it not only looks premium but also stays cool under load. With 6000 MHz at CL40, this memory offers accelerated performance, providing stable overclocking and 25 lower latency, ensuring faster frame rates and smoother gameplay. Every millisecond counts in competitive gaming. Its versatility is impressive, compatible with Intel Core Ultra Series 2, 13th to 14th Gen CPUs, and AMD Ryzen 9000 series and above. Supporting both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, it allows effortless overclocking across multiple platforms. Backed by Micron's 45 years of expertise, this memory is engineered with top-tier components and rigorous module-level testing. Reliability is further ensured with a limited lifetime warranty, making it a safe, high-performance choice for gamers, content creators, and enthusiasts seeking both speed and style. In short, it's a perfect blend of power, flexibility, and sleek design. Our third product is G.Skill DDR5 7200MHz RGB RAM. The G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB DDR5 Memory Kit is a powerhouse choice for gamers, content creators, and high-performance PC enthusiasts. This 64GB kit, 2x32GB, is rated for DDR5-6000 at CL28-36-36-96, delivering exceptional speed and ultra-low latency for smooth multitasking, gaming, and demanding workloads. Operating at 1.40V, it provides a stable and efficient overclocking experience. Designed with non-ECC DDR5 UDMM 288-pin modules, it is optimized for desktop PCs and gaming rigs, offering both JEDEC default profiles and AMD Expo overclocking support for easy tuning. Its RGB lighting adds a striking visual appeal, making it an excellent fit for modern builds with style. This memory kit is sold as matched pairs. Mixing with other kits can cause instability, so following manufacturer guidelines is essential. Compatible with AMD X870, X670, B850, B840, and B650 platforms, it ensures reliable performance on validated motherboards. Overall, the G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo offers high-speed performance, stunning aesthetics, and reliable stability, making it a top-tier upgrade for serious PC enthusiasts. Now number 4, Kingston DDR5 7200MHz RGB RAM. The Kingston Fury RGB DDR5 memory delivers both performance and style for modern PC builds. Featuring enhanced RGB lighting paired with a sleek new heat spreader design, it not only keeps your system cool but also adds a striking visual flair to any setup. The patented Kingston Fury infrared sync technology ensures perfectly synchronized lighting effects across all compatible modules, making your rig stand out. Performance-wise, this memory offers improved stability for overclocking, allowing gamers and content creators to push their systems while maintaining reliability. Support for Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo provides easy plug-and-play overclocking with minimal manual configuration, making it compatible with both Intel and AMD platforms designed with quality and efficiency in mind. Kingston Fury DDR5 combines fast speeds, reliable operation, and impressive aesthetics, ensuring your system performs optimally under demanding workloads. Whether gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this memory kit delivers high-speed performance with stunning synchronized RGB lighting for a premium experience. And our last choice is G.Skill DDR5 7200MHz RGB RAM. The G.Skill FlareX5 DDR5 Memory Kit is a high-performance solution designed for gaming and desktop enthusiasts seeking speed and reliability. This 64GB kit, 2x32GB, is rated at DDR5-6000CL30-40-40-96 at 1.40V, delivering fast, responsive performance ideal for demanding applications and multitasking. Built as non-ECC UDMM with 288 pins, it's optimized for AMD platforms, including X870, X670, B850, B840, and B650 motherboards. The kit includes both JEDEC default profiles for standard operation and AMD Expo profiles for easy overclocking, allowing users to push performance without manual tweaking. G.Skill emphasizes stability, so memory kits are sold as matched sets. Mixing kits is not recommended, as it can cause system instability or failure. With its robust engineering and careful validation for compatibility, the FlareX5 series ensures smooth operation for gaming, content creation, and high-performance computing. For those upgrading an AMD system, this kit combines speed, capacity, and reliability in one premium package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.